Aspire to dream. Away from the hustle and bustle of the cities. Away from hours of traffic, pollution, and toxicities. What if we could aspire for a better future? A future where couples turn into families. For those finding their life partners. For each parent's dream of a safe, sustainable living. For a newborn's hope and well-being. Where the elder populace enjoys and fulfills abundant and healthy lifestyles. We have found the perfect place just for you in the hills of Balamban. A new and sustainable village community already realizing your dreams. Situated in the midst of nature. Yet fully equipped with high-speed internet access using the latest in fiber-optic data networking technology and infrastructure. Prioritizes environmental sustainability and climate resilience, where fresh organic farm produce and ecotourism destinations are within easy reach. Welcome to Amonsagana, Cebu's undiscovered jewel in the West. A place that is everybody's piece of heaven under the sun. Amonsagana is ahead of the curve in the creation of a new and exciting premium real estate development in Cebu with a new perspective on living an abundant lifestyle. Strategically located at over 2,000 feet above sea level, overlooks Balamban town and enjoys spectacular panoramic view of the sea and mountains all around. Calm, peaceful, and unpolluted. A perfect place to call home. Where balanced leisure, business, recreation, and nature exists as its core. Its location is strategic. As Balamban develops and thrives as a new investment hub with new supermalls, offices, hospitals, schools, and supporting infrastructure, Amonsagana's value will most definitely appreciate as well. Amonsagana offers you a unique opportunity to invest in the fastest growing area in West Cebu, with investment potential growing from phase to phase. These prime freehold residential lots will not be available for long. Live your dream. Get a lot. Build your home in the only modern, peaceful haven with abundant lifestyle choices. Only at Amonsagana.